starting a new business is hard. When I tell you
That's
this
it.
story I just told you, it sounds like, oh, it was no big deal. It was awful. It was really, really hard. I didn't have any money, you know, it wasn't generating any money. And I kind of didn't know what I was doing, but I was getting help from the Independent Book Publishers Association, of which I'm a member. And it was a magnificent, steep, mountainous learning curve.
Yeah, I bet.
So whenever somebody tells their story about anything, the struggle is part of the story. And that part wasn't fun. It's fun now. It really wasn't fun at the time. Just when I first got sober, there was nothing fun about that. But I just kept going back. I just kept going back, you know, and what you do in sobriety or in any other thing is you kind of gradually walk into a new life. And it's one of your own design. And so that's better than the one that was, you know, going sideways.
Yeah.